So, you're about to receive a big chunk of change, and it's coming through Monzo. But hold on, how much can someone actually transfer to you on this fancy new banking app? Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's a bank, right? There must be a limit. Well, buckle up, because this might surprise you. In the grand scheme of things, Monzo doesn't have a strict cap on how much someone can transfer into your account. It's like an open-door policy for incoming cash. But before you start dreaming of private jets and island getaways, let's talk about a few things. First off, while there's no official limit on the incoming side, your sender might have restrictions based on their bank or card. So, if Uncle Rich tries to shower you with love and money, his bank might put a hold on things. Secondly, while you can receive as much as you want, spending it might be a different story. Monzo, like any other bank, has daily spending limits. So, even if you have $1 million in your account, you can't go on a crazy shopping spree without hitting some roadblocks. Now, let's talk about why this is even a question. Maybe you're expecting a large sum from a family member, or perhaps you're involved in a business deal. Whatever the reason, it's understandable to want to know your options. But here's the thing. While Monzo is generally pretty chill about incoming transfers, it's always a good idea to be cautious. If you're expecting a huge sum, it might be worth giving Monzo a heads up. They can keep an eye out for any suspicious activity and help protect your account. And remember, just because you can receive a large amount doesn't mean you should. Fraud is a real thing, and it's essential to be vigilant. If something seems off, trust your gut and report it. So, to recap, Monzo doesn't have a specific limit on incoming transfers. But your sender's bank might, and Monzo itself has spending limits. It's always wise to be cautious, especially when dealing with large sums of money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.